Hello guys, welcome to my yai. This is my fourth time of drinking beauty milk. But today we will going to have it with a twist. Okay, itong milk na to is an ordinary milk, and then here is the beauty milk. At lalagyan din natin yan ng Yakult. We'll make it hot. Yes. Charan! My fourth time of drinking beauty milk. Sarap. Sorry.
Okay. Anong unang birthday ni Wonder? Letter A,